video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong ibinabang Implementing Rules and Regulation o IRR ng ating Expanded Career Progression System, no? Ito po yung EO174 series of 2022. Ayan, so alam ko marami na po nag-aabang dito, no, sa IRR. Ayan, so meron na pong lumabas na guidelines. Pero dahil medyo mahaba po yung medyo mahaba yung IRR nitong career progression, ay i-chop-chop lang natin yung pag-discuss, no, sa bawat section, no, kasi baka humaba yung video natin. Ayan, so dito sa video natin talakayin naman natin yung section 21 muna, no, kasi isa ito sa mga mahalagang although lahat naman yan mahalaga syempre, pero isa ito sa mga mahalaga talaga, no, na part ng IRR ng career progression, yung section 21, no. Ito yung retitling of existing field positions to positions in the ECP system. Ayan. So kung ikaw ay isang SPED teacher, ikaw ay isang head teacher, o ikaw ay isang assistant school principal, so ano yung magiging retitled position mo dito sa ECP? Ayan. So unahin natin yung Special Science Teacher 1. Ayan. Kung ikaw ay isang Special Science Teacher 1, so ang retitled position mo is Teacher 3, no, which is salary grade 13. Now, pag ikaw naman ay isang head teacher 1 or special education teacher 1, so ang retitled position mo ngayon ay teacher 4, salary grade 14. Pag ikaw naman ay isang head teacher 2 or special education teacher 2, ang retitled position mo is teacher 5, salary grade 15. Kung ikaw naman ay isang head teacher 3 or special education teacher 3 o special science teacher 2, ang retitled position mo naman ay teacher 6 or salary grade 16. Now, pag ikaw naman ay head teacher 4 or special education teacher 4, ang retitled position mo is teacher 7 or salary grade 17. Then, pag ikaw naman ay isang assistant school principal 1 or head teacher 5 or special education teacher 5, ang retitled position mo ay master teacher 1 for salary grade 18. Pag ikaw naman ay isang assistant school principal 2 or head teacher 6, ang iyong retitled position is school principal 1 or master teacher 2 for salary grade 19. And last po, pag ikaw ay isang assistant school principal 3, ang retitled position mo is either school principal 2 or master teacher 3 for salary grade 20. So yan po yung nilalaman nitong section 21. Ito po yung retitling of existing field position to positions in the ECP system, no? The existing field positions with titles that do not conform to the position titles in the ECP system shall be retitled to the position of equivalent salary grades in the ECP system. Ayan. So hopefully po ay naliwanagan po yung mga kamaestro natin dyan, no? Alam ko marami nagtatanong dyan tungkol dito sa retitling of position dito sa ating expanded career progression for teachers. Ayan. So, ibang part po ng IRR nitong career progression ay gawa natin ng ibang episode, no, ibang video, no, para hindi po mahaba yung discussion natin. So, abangan po natin, no, sa ating next episode itong IRR ng career progression. So, for the meantime, dito ko muna tatapos itong ating video ngayon, mga kamestro. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel natin, click mo na yung subscribe button para ikaw yung unang makapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin, katulad dito yung mga updates about sa DepEd. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!